Welcome back to Let's Speak Vietnamese. In the video today, I will talk about how to speak Vietnamese like a native. We will talk about how we can flow in Vietnamese. So, have you had anyone telling you that tones in Vietnamese is the most important thing? Well, I do agree that they are important. However, there are more elements in the pronunciation aspect. So, for example, the alphabet. Alphabet is also the most important thing when you have to pronounce something. In the north and in the south, we can pronounce the tones a bit different, but most of the vowels are the same. The second thing is where or when do you stop in a sentence. So let's look at this example. We have the phrase I work at 7. So we have tôi làm việc lúc 7 giờ. We don't say tôi làm việc lúc 7 giờ. That sounds so robotic, right? So instead of saying the sentence like a robot, you actually look for what words can be grouped together and then say them at the same time. So we don't say làm việc, we say làm việc. Okay? One more time. Look at the example. Tôi làm việc lúc 7 giờ. See that? Third thing is about the stress. After you figure out where to stop, you also have to figure out where to stress. So for the sentence, I work at 7 o'clock, the words I need to stress will be to work and 7 o'clock, the word at and I pretty much just flow with the sentence. So I say tôi làm việc lúc 7 giờ. See that? I stress on the word làm việc and the word 7 giờ because those are important. The last thing is the tone connection. So, do you know that Vietnamese people don't actually say the tones correctly? I usually joke with my students that I will teach them how to say the wrong Vietnamese correctly. What does that mean? It means that when we connect the tones, we say the tones a little bit wrong, but sounds a bit more natural. Let's look at this example. We have the word bóng đá. Bóng đá means football. These two words each has an up tone, but when we say them all together, we don't actually say bóng đá. We connect them and make the word bóng a little bit lower and then go up on the word đá. So I say bóng đá. Hear the difference? Not bóng đá is bóng đá. That's how you flow. Now let's see more words. Okay, so we have the word Wednesday is thứ tư. So if I say it correctly, I have to say thứ tư. But if I connect them, then it sounds like this. Thứ tư. See? They all go together. Thứ tư. Right? Or bánh quấn. Bánh quấn. It's not bánh quấn. It's bánh quấn. Right, that's it. So remember, if you want to speak like a native, it's not only about the tones. There are 4 other elements you have to focus on, okay? Well, actually, in total, 5 things you have to remember. First one, tones. Second one, alphabet. Next one, where to stop and when to stop. Next one, what to stress. And the last one is tone connection. Okay? Well, good luck with your learning and hope this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our future videos. Bye!